Let me show you how to calculate the effective tax rate. You can pull the necessary data from your 1040. I'm going to use the 2025 1040 income tax return as an example for married filing jointly with 2 children. Effective tax rate shows you the real tax rate you pay by dividing total tax by taxable income. Total tax on line 24 is what you owe after subtracting non-refundable credits and adding any additional tax like self-employment tax from Schedule 2. Taxable income on line 15 is all your income after subtracting all your deductions such as standard or itemized deduction and qualified business income deduction. In our example, the total tax on line 24 is $3,223, and our taxable income on line 15 is $83,550, giving us an effective tax rate of 3.9%, which is different from the tax bracket rate. Your tax bracket rate only applies to a portion of your income, while the effective tax rate reflects what you actually paid after all the deductions and non-refundable credits. In our example for 2025, the $83,550 for married filing jointly falls into the 12% tax bracket, meaning the marginal tax rate is 12%. The last dollar is taxed at that rate. The taxable income from 0 to $23,850 is taxed at 10%, and the income from $23,851 to $83,550 is taxed at 12%. You are not actually taxed 12% on all your income, but rather the effective tax rate is 3.9% in this example. The non-refundable credits made a huge difference for this married filing jointly couple. Thanks so much for watching.